What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how I lace up my SB Dunks. So we're going to have to first start here, this hole, pull it up a little bit, then run the other side of the lace. Make sure you keep them flat up to about the same height. So now here what you're going to do is you're going to pull these two up together and make sure it's straight. So you're gonna have to do just a little bit of twisting. And you don't want to do it too tight, just loose enough. And both of your laces should end up the same length. So what I like to do is I like to go from the inner to the outer. And I like to go out in. We used to call this back in the day fat lacing style, if you guys know. You're just gonna pull it through. You don't want to pull it too tight. Keep it nice and loose. And then you go over on this side. All the meanwhile keeping your laces straight. And you just keep repeating. And you can just pull them on the sides just to make them nice and flat. Now some people like to run their laces through this middle part. Supposedly it holds the tongue in place. I don't like to do it because I don't like the look, so I just go over it. Remember to twist your laces so they stay flat. We're going to keep going up. Pull them out, stretch them a little bit. A little tighter. I don't like them too loose lace because I like a little bit of a snug fit. That way my heel doesn't slip out. And you're gonna go one more hole on the top. And then on this last hole here, you're gonna go back out the way you came in. And then you can adjust the laces. If they're too tight, just stretch them out a little bit. But that's the finished product. So that's how I lace my SBs and pretty much all my shoes. Like I said, it's depending on how loose I want them, I'll do it looser, or if not, I'll do it like this. and it's just a good look and it works for me. So until the next video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Peace.